Oregon's numbers appear to be growing at a much slower rate than other
We
states.
certainly hope so. We want to know if the state's response and all of this social distancing we've all been doing is working. Lisa Balick live in Tualatin, where we also found there's a new drive-up testing site. Lisa?
Yeah, this is a new drive-up testing site we found, and it is about to open. But don't just zoom on in and expect you're going to get tested. It's like with the other sites. You have to have, in this particular case, a Providence doctor referral, as well as an appointment for a test. But as the testing sites and numbers keep going up, so do the number of cases. We're not out of the woods yet. Social distancing, especially staying home, is helping to flatten the curve to try and prevent a sudden surge of new cases that require hospitalization all at once and overwhelm the healthcare system. But based on what's happening, the latest projection of healthcare data is that more than 500 Oregonians could be killed by the virus in the next few months.
There are a lot more people with the virus than we know about. Certainly, not everybody has been tested, but still, if you look at the results that we get, only about 5% of the people that we're testing have the virus. So, I don't think it's hundreds of thousands of Oregonians who have it, but I do think it's certainly thousands.
Stay-at-home restrictions in place for the past 9 days in Oregon and socially distancing from each other is helping, although it's still too soon to tell how much. But there's a strong likelihood now those restrictions will stay in place for more weeks, perhaps even months.
Are we still in the previews of the movie, so to speak, here in Oregon?
I think so. We're still early on. There's a lot of time to go before we're going to decide to lift the social restrictions that are in place.
With formal school suspended for most kids, their social interaction needs some attention as well.
Well, I think it's good for kids to be playing outside. We don't want to keep everybody cooped up, and exercise is important. But we would certainly discourage play where there's either personal contact or where there's handling of something by several different kids.
Now again, you're looking at a live picture of a new testing site that is in Tualatin and is going to be active later on this week. Now if you do come to one of these testing sites, make sure when you drive in to keep your window up until you're told to take it down for a test. So keep that window up. But again, as we're seeing more testing sites, we're also seeing more testing and more cases. They say the peak still not expected until May here in Oregon. Live in Tualatin, Lisa Balick, KOIN 6 News.
Patience is key. Thanks, Lisa.